That's our washing machine. What happened? Can you let go of it real quick?
What?
Can you let go of it real quick?
No, it's gonna damage the wall.
It's on kind of normal. It shouldn't do that. Well, it's malfunctioning. It's malfunctioning. The water was on when it was still draining.
That's fine.
That's not normal. Go for it, don't touch it. It's draining. What's going on? Guys, can you tell me if it's supposed to do that? Because I don't think it's supposed to do that. Look, this is on. Listen closely. You hear that? Like, that humming noise. Why is it moving? That's the drain sound effect, but why is the water on? Not supposed to do that.